This tutorial will show you how to send SMS using MySQL and PHP. It will also provide a free PHP SMS example. To send SMS, you need to have Ozeki SMS Gateway installed and an SMS service provider available. In this video, we are going to download a PHP file and copy it to the web server. Then we modify this PHP file. Finally, we open the web page and send a test message. First, we download the PHP file. Open your browser. Go to the Ozeki website. Click on Products, Ozeki Apps, SMS Gateway PHP SMS API, send SMS from a website using PHP and MySQL. Click on the link to download the project. Open the zip and extract the content to your desktop. Now run webserver. Next, we copy the PHP file to the web server. Open the www folder of webserver. Move the MySQL PHP API into the folder. Now we can modify the PHP file. First, open SQL handling functions. Modify the username to root, then delete the password. Click on File, then Save to save the changes. Now we can open the web page. Type in the following address to the URL bar of your browser. From this page, we can send a test message. Type the recipient's phone number into the first text box. Then, type the message into the second text box. Click on the Send button to send the test message. You can see in the Outgoing Messages section that the SMS has been sent. You are also able to check if the message had been sent in the Events tab in Ozeki SMS Gateway. To do this, first open Ozeki SMS Gateway. Click on your MySQL user on the right. You will then be brought to the Events tab of your connection. Now everything is set up for you to send SMS from MySQL and PHP. Visit OzekiSMSGateway.com to download the software.